So let's start with the question number 14 today.
Yes, sir.
So question number 14 says that Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. Okay. She has currency notes of denominations rupees, hundreds, fifteens, and 10 respectively. So she has three type of notes here: 100, of 15, and of 10. Okay. Then it says that the ratio of the number of these notes are 2 is to 3 is to 5. So again here it is in ratio. So as we have discussed in the last class, so we are going to consider the number of notes of 100, number of notes of rupees 100 is equal to how much?
X.
How much it will be?
X.
2x. Right here ratio is given 2 is to 3 is to 5. Okay, so rupees 100 2x, rupees 50 कितना हो गया? Rupees 50 and how much will be rupees 10? कितने होंगे विकास? Half 4x. Have you have all of you have that revised that all the questions that we had completed in the last class up to question number 13? So this will be equal to 5x, right? Notes of 100 will be equal to 2x. Notes of 50 will be equal to 3x, and notes of 10 will be equal to 5x. Now it says that total cash with Lakshmi is this much. So she has total cash of 4 lakh rupees. Okay. So now here, if the number of notes of 100 is 2x, then how much rupees it will be total? How much rupees it will be total in total? If you have 10 notes of 100, then how much rupees you have? If you have 10 notes of 100, then how much rupees you have? 1000. Okay, how you find the 1000? How you got that 1000? But just by multiplying this and this, right? Similarly, if we have 100 notes, 2x notes of 100, then we are going to multiply it to find the total amount. Okay, so total amount will be equal to 100 into 2x. And similarly, in case of 50 rupees, the total amount will be equal to 50 into 3x. And in case of this rupees 10, we will have 10 into 5x. And this will give us, but after adding all this, this will give us the total amount that Lakshmi have. And so that is equal to
4 lakh.
4 lakh here.
So 4 lakh.
Okay, so this is our required equation. You just have to solve this required equation and find the value of x. So please all of you solve this and give me the value of x here.
Sir, can I? Sir, can I?
Yes.
Sir, x is equals to 1000.
X is equal to 1000.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Ansa and Vikas.
1000.
1000. Vikas is also saying 1000. Okay. So if X is 1000, then the question asking that how many nodes of each. Then tell me the value of 2x, 3x, and 5x. So 2x will be equal to 2000 then, and 3x will be equal to 3000, and 5x will be equal to 5000. Okay. So now let's move to the next question, that is question number 15. So in question number 15, the first sentence says that I have total of 300 in coins of denomination rupees 1, 2, and 5. So uh, he have three type of coins. Okay, one is rupees 1, rupees 2, and rupees 5, and total he have is 300 coins. Now then it says that the number of rupees 2 coin is 3 times the number of 5 coins. Okay, so number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times of number of rupees 5 coins. So let's start with the number of 5. Let's consider that number of 5 coin of rupees 5 coin is x. Let the number of rupees 5 coin be x. So if number of rupees 5 coin is x, then it's saying, as it's saying, that number of rupees 2 coin is 3 times of it. So number of rupees 2 coin will be how much? How much it will be?
5x minus 3.
How much?
2 coin. Rupees 2 coin will be
What?
160.
Parmania, it's not audible. You are not audible actually. It's saying that, read the second line again. It says that the number of rupees 2 coin is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. If number of 5 coins is considered as x, then what will be the number of rupees 2 coin?
Sir, 2x plus 3.
2x plus 3. Why 2x plus
No,
3?
sir. No, sir. Sir, 3 bracket 3 in bracket 2x.
It will be equal to 3x. It, as it's saying, 3 times. Okay. So if number of 5 coin is x, then it will be 3x, 3 times of x. Okay, so number of
Yes,
number
sir.
of rupees 2 coin will be equal to 3x. Okay, now in the next line, if you read, it says the total number of coin is 160. So now we have number of rupees 2 coin, rupees 5 coins, and rupees 2 coins. So we just need the number of rupees 1 coin. So can we write it like this? Number of rupees 1 coin is equal to, total number of coin is 160 here. 160 minus this two, total number of coins will be x plus 3x here. So can this, is this will give us the number of rupees 1 coin? Please check this line again. If anyone having any confusion in this.
Yes, sir.
It is clear? So this will give
Yes,
us
sir.
160 minus 4x. So this is number of rupees 1 coins. Okay, so now we have number of rupees 1 coin,
160.
as well as number of rupees 5 coin, and as well as number of rupees 2 coin. Okay, and it has total rupees available is 300. So now we just have to first convert it in the amount. Okay, so total amount of rupees 5 coin will be total amount of rupees 5 coin will be x into 5, that will give us 5x. Similarly, total amount of rupees 2 coin will be 2 into 3x, that will be equal to 6x.
2 into
And total amount of rupees 1 coin will be equal to 1 into this. This is the total number, and this will get multiplied by 1. So this will give same 160 minus 4x only. So now if you multiply all, if we add all these three, this should be equal to how much?
300.
300. So just add this 3 and put it equal to 300. That will give us the linear equation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so solve this and tell me the answer. What will be the value of x here?
Sir, can I?
Yes,
X is equals to 60.
60.
Yes, sir. Rupees 3 coins is equals to 60.
Okay, Vikas, and answer how much you are getting?
$60.
60 only. Rupees 2 coin is 60 or rupees 5 coin is 60? X is rupees 5 coin, right?
Yes, sir. So 5 coin is 60.
5 coin is 60.
Yes, sir.
So if we add this two, so we will have 11x minus 4x, that will give us 7x, and this is equal to 300 minus 160. So 7x is equal to 140. So I'm not getting 60 here. I'm getting 20 here. So x is equal to 20. So rupees 5 coin is 20.
So we can find 3. So we will find 3 and 1 coin.
So this is the rupees 5 coin, and this is equal to 20. If you find the rupees 2 coin, that is 3x, that will be equal to 60.
Yes, sir.
And rupees 1 coin will be equal to
160 minus 4x
160
is
minus
equals to
this
160
2,
minus
that is
in
80.
minus 4 into 20. 160 minus 80 is equals to 80. 1 rupees 1 coin is equals to 80.
Okay, so now let's move to the next one.
Yes, sir.
So next question says that the organizer of an essay competition decided that a winner in the competition gets a prize of 100. Okay, so the winner will get the prize of 100 rupees, and the participants who does not win gets the prize of 25. Okay, so there are two possibilities. One will get 100 here. Okay, so the winner will get 100. So there will be one winner that will get 100 rupees, and rest of all will get 25 rupees each. Okay, so that is the first sentence says here. Then the second sentence is the total prize money distributed is 3000 rupees. Okay, then it says the find the
Sir,
number of winners. Yes.
sir, first line. So the meaning of first line is that uh, every player will get 25 rupees, no?
Yes, participants will get 25 and winner will get 100.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then here it says that if the total number of participants is 63, find the number of winners. So let's consider that number of winners is X. So in this case, as it's saying winners, okay, I think there are possible multiple winners. It is not necessary that winners will be one only. Okay, so let's consider, let the number of winners be X.
X.
So there are total X winners here. Okay, so remaining participants we will have here.
So one sec. So 63 minus X.
Yes, so remaining participants is equal to 63 minus X. Okay, so this is winner here and this is remaining participants. So now as per first line, it says that winners is getting 100 rupees each, then total amount
Is distributed 3,000 rupees.
distributed in winners. Total amount distributed in winners will be equal to, so one winner is getting 100, so X winner will get 100 into X,
100x.
100X.
And
And
sir, plus
similarly, the all remaining participants is getting 25 each. Okay, so here there are 63 minus X remaining participants, so they are getting 25 each. So
25 bracket 25 in
yes,
bracket 60
amount
plus
distributed in remaining participants, amount distributed in
remaining participants.
remaining participants
25
equal
in bracket 63 plus
63 minus X into 25. So this is our total amount that we have distributed. So if we add this to, this should be equal to how much?
3000.
3000. So that will be your linear equation. Please solve that equation.
Yes, sir. Is equals to 5101575 57 25 57 by 3 by 3 19. So can I
Yes,
x is equals to 19?
19.
19. Yes, sir. So there are 19 winners in the easy.
Okay. That Vikas is saying 19 also. Yeah, answer how much you got?
19.
19 only. Okay, so if we solve this, we will have 100x plus 63 into 25 minus 25x, that is equal to 3000. So this will give us 75x is equal to 3000 minus, if we multiply these two, this will give us 75 7 300 375. This is, I think we are getting here. Okay, so but it is, I don't think. Okay, sorry. So this will be equal to 5 7, then 150 plus 7 157. So this we are getting here, and this will give us 1425. So x is equal to 1425 upon 75. So it is 19.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
In ending, it will give
Okay.
19. When we simplify it, it will give 19, 19, 19.
Okay, so we have completed this exercise. Now let's see the next exercise. What is our next exercise here?
Exercise 2.3.
So exercise 2.3 is your homework. I think all of you can do this. We have already done all these questions, okay, this type of questions. So all of
sir.
you have to complete this exercise, okay. And today I just have some work, okay, so I'm not being able to take the complete class. So I'm ending class right now here. So all of you, please do this complete exercise, exercise 2.3. This is your homework. We have already done this type of question. Okay.
Yes,
All
sir.
right.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, answer what you are saying. I finish.
Yes, sir. I finished this exercise.
You have finished this exercise. You have already done, you are saying.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then if you have already done, then you can move to the next this one. Okay, please try to solve this one. Okay, we will
Okay,
do
sir.
this in the next class, but you can try this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Ending.
Bye, sir.
Bye.